Theme Park DNA here. Today I'm going to be unboxing a Holocron from Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. I recently ordered this off of Amazon. So let's get into it. Alright, box inside a box. Alright, this is going to be the Jedi Holocron. I had to check the label to make sure, because I ordered both of them. Alright, starting out on the outside, it comes in the nice little pleather bag. It says Black Spire Outpost there, which most of you will know is the outpost there on Batuu in Galaxy's Edge. Alright, here we have the Jedi Holocron. So it also comes with the tag with instructions, and a micro USB charging cord to charge the rechargeable battery. Alright, well, this is my first time ever with hands-on the Holocron, so we've got a tab here. All right. Looks like. Alright, that's where we insert the Alright. I've got a few kyber crystals here. Alright, got a few kyber crystals here. This one came from Galaxy's Edge, it's a green one. And these two are prototypes that will soon be available on Etsy. I'm going to test them out. So, let's drop in the kyber crystal. Let's turn it back on. Well, it lights up green.
Yes, Jedi strength flows from the Force. But beware of the dark side. Anger, fear, aggression. The dark side of the Force are they. Easily they flow, quick to join you in a fight. If once you start down the dark path, forever will it dominate your destiny. Consume you it will, as it did Obi-Wan's apprentice.
Nice. As soon as you take out the crystal, it stops. Alright, I'm going to do a full review a little bit later, but just to make sure that all of this works. It should be Obi-Wan Kenobi. You have to press, you can see where it's a little darker on the sides, and you have to press on the sides to...
Don't give in to hate. That leads to the dark side.
Alright, and here's a black one. This should be Supreme Leader Snoke.
This is Master Obi-Wan Kenobi. I regret to report that both our Jedi Order and the Republic have fallen, with the dark shadow of the Empire rising to take their place.
Alright, well that was cool. Just so you know, when you put a Sith Kyber crystal in the Jedi Holocron, you get a message from a Jedi. Looks like it's Obi-Wan Kenobi. In this case, it was telling us that the Jedi Order had fallen. I don't know if it does different. A little tricky to get it open. It sticks a little bit. Alright, well that's going to do it for our unboxing. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching.